Welcome, inform me is VIVO Y19s, and in this video I will tell you what to do if you can't access your device using your PIN code. First thing that you should check is whether you're trying to enter the personal PIN code that you set up for yourself and not the SIM card PIN code, which are both mistaken for each other very often. And if you're sure that you're trying to enter the right PIN code, then take your time and try to remember the PIN code that you entered the last time. And if you can't do that, then the other solution for you to regain access to your device will be to contact VIVO customer support service, let them know about your issue, and if you can prove the ownership of your smartphone to them, they will most likely help you out with and let you regain access to your device without removing your phone's data. And if you can do that too, then the third option left is to perform a factory reset operation on the phone. And if you don't know how to do that, you can check the video on our channel. We have a full video explaining the process step by step, so if you're interested, go ahead and check it out. And the last option is to perform a factory reset remotely. If you don't want to do this locally, you can use Find My Device feature if it's enabled on your phone to perform a factory reset operation. So if you want to remove all data remotely from your on your phone, then just use Find Hub service by Google and log into your Google account from any other device. Use the Google account that is connected to this smartphone, and and once you log in, you can select your smartphone and perform factory reset operation in one click remotely. So that will be all for today. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.